Imagine this. You're about to step into an important interview or client meeting. Instead of spending hours researching, scrolling through LinkedIn, and trying to figure out what to ask, you already have everything prepared: insights, structured notes, and even suggested questions. Sounds unreal, right? Let me show you how the AI meeting prep agent built within n8n makes this possible. Our process begins with a simple form. A user fills in their basic details along with their LinkedIn profile link. This acts as the foundation for everything that follows. Once the form is submitted, n8n triggers an API call to gather detailed information. In this case, we have connected with Apify, which helps us extract and organize data from LinkedIn in a structured sequence. After the raw data is fetched, it's time for our AI agent to step in. Using advanced prompting, we guide the AI to reshape and structure the data exactly the way we need it: clear, concise, and ready for action. The LLM processes the input, identifies key insights, and even prepares potential interview or meeting questions tailored to the candidate's profile. Finally, once the AI has structured the data, the entire summary is automatically sent via Gmail to the interviewing agent. By the time they are ready to meet, they already have a complete briefing document waiting in their inbox. Let me explain to you that how we did it at Patronecs. Our journey begins with a form. In n8n, we create a new form where the applicant provides three key details: their name, their email address, and a link to their LinkedIn profile. Once the form is ready, we give it a title and then test it. As you can see, the form generates the headings and structure we need. This becomes the entry point for our workflow. The next step is to pull detailed data from the applicant's LinkedIn profile. For this, we have integrated Apify, a powerful web scraping platform. From the Apify store, we select the LinkedIn data scraper. We paste in the LinkedIn profile link, generate the scraper link, and then connect it with our workflow in n8n using the HTTP request node. This integration ensures that the raw LinkedIn data is fetched and ready to be processed. Once the data is captured, it moves to the AI stage. Here we add an AI model, in our case, OpenAI. We provide the model with prompts that guide how the data should be cleaned, structured, and analyzed. The AI aligns the details into a proper sequence and even generates useful insights, such as potential interview questions. This step transforms unstructured raw data into something actionable. Finally, the structured briefing is sent directly to the interviewer through Gmail. In this step, we configure the recipient's email, the subject line, and the body of the message. By the time the interviewer opens their inbox, the complete candidate briefing is already waiting for them. And that's how the AI meeting prep agent works behind the scenes. From a submission to LinkedIn scrapping to AI restriction all the way to automated delivery, everything powered by n8n. With the AI meeting prep agent, manual research becomes a thing of the past. This is not the future, it's already here. But with n8n, the only question left is, are you ready to try it?